How to fix Instagram filter not working. So today in this video I'll be showing you how can you fix when your Instagram filters are not working. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. Now let's get started. So the first thing is you just have to open up your Instagram application and you have to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to see the home page or this interface of Instagram from where you'll be able to explore to various newsfeed or posts. So if you are unable to use a certain filters on your Instagram, for example, if you are unable to use this type of filters or anything, then that might be due to various reasons. So the first thing is you just have to go back to your home page and open up your settings on your device. So once you are here, you have to scroll a little bit and you have to go for apps and notifications. On your device there may only be app or anything, but you just have to go to your apps, and after that you have to open up your Instagram application over here, under which you will be able to see storage and cache option. Simply tap over that and you can go for a clear cache. So by clearing all the cache, your Instagram application will be refreshed, due to which you will be able to use the filters or your problem will be solved. You can go back and check, but if you are still unable to fix this problem, then the simplest thing you can do is you have to open up your Google Play Store and you have to tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. And here you can see update has been available. You can simply tap on update and you can update your Instagram. By doing that, you will be able to use the feature or the filter that you are trying to use. You can go back and check. You'll be able to fix your problem. So this is how you fix Instagram filter not working. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.